Hey there! Are you getting a frustrating PHP fatal error when trying to start your Laravel server? Something about a missing server.php file? Don't worry, you're not alone, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error pops up when Laravel tries to locate a critical file but can't find it. You'll see something like, failed opening required patho to Laravel framework aus arco Illuminate Foundation our resources sau server, PHP. But stick around, because by the end of this video, your server will be up and running smoothly again. I'll guide you through checking your dependencies, fixing any missing files, and even a quick workaround to get Laravel working without the headache. Ready to solve this? Let's get started! The resources/server.php file is a critical part of the Laravel framework, and if it's missing, don't worry. You can easily restore it by reinstalling your Laravel dependencies. Here's how. First, navigate to your project directory. Then, delete the vendor folder to ensure a clean reinstall. Finally, open your terminal and run the command composer install. This will reinstall all the necessary dependencies, including the missing server.php file. Once done, your Laravel project should be ready to go. Once we've completed the steps, we'll try running the server again to confirm the issue is fully resolved. And that's it. Your Laravel server should now be running without any errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.